Why does your scanner show the P0048 engine code? What does it mean? P0048 is a diagnostic trouble code for Turbocharger or Supercharger Boost Control A circuit high. This engine code indicates that the ECU has detected an abnormally high voltage or current in the circuit that controls the turbocharger or supercharger's boost pressure. This can lead to symptoms like low or no boost, loss of power, and a illuminated check engine light. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty boost control solenoid. Wiring problems. Boost pressure sensor failure. Stuck open wastegate. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Ford, and Peugeot models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.